Hello guys, this is Subhasree and I welcome you to this video where I'm crafting out the Indian Army Man and Soldier Memorial out of paper. Last week I crafted out Ashok Stambh and Indian map wall hanging previously. Link of those videos are given in the description box. Do watch all those videos of my Republic Day School craft series. And consider subscribing my channel to watch DIY home decor videos every Sunday. So let's begin today's video. Today's craft involves a lot of steps, so the video will be little lengthy. Therefore, you can save this video so that you can replay the video when you plan to craft this by yourself later on. I tore this bottle green paper or page out of a scrapbook, and I'll be wrapping a piece of this page on this empty matchbox like this to make the body of the soldier. Then we need this type of disposable ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks to make the face, and this type of long sticks to make the gun, the arms and the legs of the man. Like this I'll be making the gun, and these two I'll be using for the legs or the arms. The body is ready. Now I have cut it out these small pieces of papers to wrap those popsicle sticks. For the pair of legs, the paper size I have used is 4.5 by 7 centimeter, and for arms it's little smaller, 4.5 by 6 centimeter in size. So now I'm rolling the paper and I'll be inserting those half popsicle stick inside them to make the arms legs ready. Now let's make the paper boots or the shoe for the army man. For this I have used 5.5 by 6.5 centimeter small paper, and this is how the fold needs to be done. So all the 6 folds are done. Now let's flip this and roll it up to give it a shape of the boot. And to secure this roll, I am using a sellotape. Just below this flip, we need to pull this paper out like this. And this will make the boot ready to stand on its own. And see how cute these paper boots are. Now let's make the paper cap for the soldier. For this we need to take a square paper of 5 by 5 centimeter and let's start folding it. And this cute little cap is ready. So all the parts and accessories are ready. So we just need to glue all of them together to complete the statue of this army man. So now let's make a mini Indian national flag because the soldier will be holding gun in one hand and the flag in the other hand. And that's how my soldier is ready. And we all Indians are so proud of our Indian army. And with that feelings, please do like this video also because I hope you like this army man crafting idea. Now let's do the next one. For making soldier memorial or Amar Jawan statue, we need a base, a cardboard base, and a gun. So I have taken a small cardboard box and wrapped it with the same bottle green scrap paper to make the base of the project. And this is what I have written on this Jai Jawan. And after that, I have taken a narrow cardboard where I have drawn out the gun first with pencil and then I have outlined it with the sketch pen. And then I'll be cutting it out. Now I'll be cutting the same sized gun out of the foam sheet, black colored foam sheet, and then I'll cover this foam sheet on top of the cardboard. So cardboard will be like the support for the foam sheet. And that's how the gun is ready. So guys, please let me know how you like today's video in the comment section below. And along with this statue of Army Man, I have made some more Republic Day crafts like the Republic Day badges, the bracelet. All this I'll be uploading in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned to my channel. Keep watching my Sunday videos. With this is Subhasree signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of home decor or DIY videos. Till then, stay tuned to my channel, stay healthy and have a very happy week ahead. And yes, happy Republic Day in advance. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.